गोयचे मानादीक राज्यपाल श्री सिद्धिविनायक सागर संस्थानान श्री गणेशाचे दर्शन घेवपाक पावता. जय गणेश. जय गणेश. His Excellency, respected Honorable, स्वागत शत शत बार. जय गणेश. जय गणेश. जय गणेश. जय गणेश देवा.
From the childhood on the stage of Akhil Bharti Vidyarthi Parishad. Yes, it is the urge now. I request. Yes, pardon, sir. Here also having a great presence of Secretary. I thank you very much for accepting our token of love. This is the traditional Samayi, which will.
MLA and my dear friends, I'm extremely happy to participate in this program. Ganesha also started at the first time at the instance of Ravindranath, our Tagore, and Maharashtra. It was started as a national festival, and spirituality is also there. And as a part of the spirituality, we are all presenting our devotion before the Lord, and in the welcome speech stated the Deva of wisdom, and for every activities throughout India, including my homes, with Ganapati Puja. Ganapati means Ganesh. In Kerala it is called Ganapati. So starting of every program, that is an inevitable part of the commitment to the devotees. So I am very happy because 21 days celebration is there, and you are offering prayer before the Ganesha, and this is a very beautiful area, beautiful village. And our MLA is there, our president of the Panchayat is there, and all other people are there. So I am also praying this auspicious moment for the betterment of the people. We are all working for the betterment of the people. People are supreme. I am always stating everywhere. Of course, the
selection of the Don Bosco Father's Day of Superior Generals on the visit to Goa. So, representative of the Archbishop of the Archbishop of the Episcopal Meeting. He represents the Archbishop in the North Zone. So, he had a prior engagement. So, he had to go for the function. Nevertheless, I, as the Assistant Magistrate for the Illinois, extend a warm welcome to His Excellency, Honorable MLA, Sarpanch, and all the distinguished dignitaries. Church of my relatives, Sadika. We are indeed happy to have you in our midst, and we appreciate your kind gesture in this.
Secretary to Governor Sri Hirvardhan एका फुलां दिवन तेजें स्वागत करपाक संतोष बांदोडकर तिकडे मागता एडिशनल कलेक्टर श्री संजीव देसाय एका फुलां दिवन तेजें स्वागत करपाक अक्षय गोवेकर तिकडे मागता डेप्युटी कलेक्टर डॉक्टर स्नेहा गिटे एका फुलां दिवन तेजें स्वागत करपाक सुवर्ण सिंग राणे तिकडे मागता डेप्युटी कलेक्टर श्री गुरुदास देसाय एका फुलां दिवन तेजें स्वागत करपाक रुपेश नाईक तिकडे मागता नामनेकर बार्देस श्री कृष्णा गावस एका फुलां दिवन तेजें स्वागत करपाक मागता दुर्यो राजेश शिवप्रसाद नाईक एका फुलां दिवन तेजें स्वागत रिक्वेस्ट उत्कर्षा
which original name is Salgaon, the Saligao. We have the famous church of Saligao, which we have visited in the morning. We have the temples, famous temples like Datta Mandir, Sharwani. This Saligao has come with a multi-purpose cyclone shelter house located as the Sonarghat Saligao, which was constructed by the WRD. We have some scheme in the Saligao. We have garbage treatment plant. The Saligao Panchayat wants to complete two works. That is we want to construct the Panchayat Ghar and the football ground, which is the main for us. Okay, because we have all the football players and all the new coming up the players who everywhere they have to go here and there. So we want to construct that. That is the thing. Thank you, sir.
आता मागता
श्रीधर पिल्ले तशेंच सालेगांवचो आमदार आमचो केदार नायक आनी बाकीचे आमचे मानेस्वर तशेंच हांगासर हांव थँक्स म्हणटा आमच्या मिडिया प्लस आमचे सालेगांवचे सगळे सरपंच डेप्युटी सरपंच आनी आमचे मेंबर्स म्हाका दिसता की म्हाज्या टेन्युअराक ही फर्स्ट मिटींग जी गव्हर्नरा वांगडा जाता मनाक खूब खोशी भोगता की अशे हे प्रोग्राम अवेरनेस जाता आनी गव्हर्नर सुद्दां येवन आमच्या वांगडा बसान कितें तरी डिस्कस जातलें आनी आमचे हे हांगासर जे कितें मेमोरंडम आसा गिरीचे आमचे विलेजीचे ते आमी ताका सबमीट करतले आनी तेजेर ते बरो लक्ष दिवन फुडले आमची कामां जी आहा ती सुरळीत करतली म्हणून तांकां चडांत चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी हेतून आमकां सहभाग करतलो आमचो सालेगांवचो आमदार केदार नायक तेजे कडेन मागता जी आमची विलेज पयलीं पासून आमकां एक गिरी विलेज जी आहा आमची आनी पंचायत आहा ती गोंयांत म्हाका दिसता एकूच पंचायत अशी आहा ती वर्साच्या वर्सा बुडटा फ्लडींग जावन तेजेर आमकां चडसो हें काम करचें पडटलें आनी आमी ती डेवलपमेंट करूंक सोदतात तेतून हेंच्यांनी आमकां सगळ्यांनी सहभाग दिवचे जशें गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसरूय आसतले खंय तरी फायल जी आमची प्रोसिडींग जाता ती सुरळीत सगळ्यांनी सायन मारून फुडें धाडची हांव सगळ्यां कडेन मागता की आमचें तें एक मेजर काम आसा आनी आमच्या गिरवडकारांचो तो एक मेजर पार्ट आसा जो आमचो सदीत वर्साच्या वर्सा जी पंचायत फुटता तेजेर आमचें मातशें काम बेगींतल्या बेगीन करून दिवचें अशें हांव आमच्या सरा कडेन मागता
आणि खुबशीं कामां आसा ती तेंच्यांनी लक्ष घालचें कित्याक सालेगांव मतदारसंघात व्हडलेशे गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट आमचे भुरगे जावंक ना ह्यान फुडें जावचे अशें तेंच्यांनी पळोवचें आनी चड हांव उलयना देव बरें करूं.
Mahmoud Munir Khan, his wife will be receiving it on behalf of. announced the financial aid for cancer patients. You might have read it in the papers. And in case there are
कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी परिवार की तरफ से हिज एक्सेलेंसी गवर्नर ऑफ गोवा श्री PS श्रीधरन पिल्ले सर, गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल सालिगांव कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी के MLA श्री केदार नाइक, सालिगांव कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी जितने पंचायत आते हैं उनके सरपंचास, डेप्यूटी सरपंचास, members and all, उनका सबका मैं स्वागत करता हूँ। खुशी की बात ऐसी है कि फर्स्ट टाइम इन माय पॉलिटिकल लाइफ गवर्नर ऑफ गोवा गांव-गांव में जाके लोगों की ग्रीवेंस पंचायत मेंबर्स के ग्रेवियंस, स्पेशली गणेश फेस्टिवल 11 दिन का चालू है, अनंत चतुर्थी तक चालू है, वो फेस्टिवल को नमस्कार करने को गवर्नर ऑफ गोवा फर्स्ट टाइम मेरे लाइफ में, पॉलिटिकल लाइफ में मैं देख रहा हूँ कि गवर्नर ऑफ गोवा गणेश जी को नमस्कार करके लोगों की ग्रेवियंस सुन रहा है। उनको मैं सबकी तरफ से धन्यवाद करता हूँ। और खुशी की बात और भी है कि डायलिसिस पेशेंट, इवन कैंसर पेशेंट है, उनको तो असिस्टेंट सहायता दे रहा है, वो एक डिफरेंट ऐसा दिख रहा है कि फर्स्ट टाइम इन द विलेज में आके गांव-गांव में जाके गवर्नर अपना सभी पेशेंट को योगदान दे रहा है। मैं सर जी को एक विनती कर रहा हूँ कि ऐसे जिला पंचायत मेंबर, जिला पंचायत हमको जो फंड जो आता है, जो फंड थोड़ा हमको थोड़ा कम पड़ रहा है, 4-4, 5-5 विलेज रहता है, तो बहुत डिमांड रहता है कि सबका काम कर एप्लीकेशन आता है। तो सर को विनती करता हूँ कि जिला पंचायत में थोड़ा ध्यान दे के वो भी उधर का भी फंड थोड़ा रेस करने का। मेरे को यहाँ पे बात दो बोल करने को चांस दिया है, इसलिए मैं धन्यवाद, थैंक यू, जय गोविंद।
एक्सीलेंसी गवर्नर श्री PS श्रीधरन पिल्ले, सेक्रेटरी टू गवर्नर IS श्री नीलवर्धन जी, एडिशनल कलेक्टर संजय सर, डिप्टी कलेक्टर डॉक्टर स्नेहा गिटे, डिप्टी कलेक्टर श्री गुरुदास देसाई, जिला मेंबर कार्तिक कुंडलेकर, मामलेदार परदेश कृष्णा गवस, BDO शिवप्रसाद नाइक, all the sarpanchas, deputy sarpanchas, panchayat members of village panchayat, Nerul, BP Race Markers, Hillen Markers, Saligaon, Sangalda, Gire, all the dignitaries present here, press media present here. On behalf of my constituents, I welcome Honorable His Excellency Governor Shri PS Shridhar Pillai to this beautiful paradise in Goa, nestled with its scenic beauty and heritage, our home Saligaon constituency. Our constituency consists of 6 villages, that is Nerul, Race Markers, Pillai, Marga, Saligaon, Sangalda and Gire. We have beautiful temples, churches, mosques, forts, museum of Portuguese era. We also have River Mandavi flowing by the banks of Great Northern Village. We have heavenly beaches like Tekdalale, Coco Beach, which is famous for water sports. We also have famous restaurants which serve authentic Goan food. There is a Pillai Industrial Estate which is boosting economy of the state and also generates employment to the state. Our fishermen brothers in our village cast their nets in River Mandavi for their livelihood and also supply fresh fish to the local population, which is an important part of Goan cuisine. We
call it Shilkari Rice. Today, the first citizen of the state visiting our panchayat displays the vibrancy and touch of democracy. Our great leader said, the best way to build a nation is from the bottom to the top. That is, from the panchayat to the center. The Honorable Governor, with his initiative of visiting the panchayat, helps to reinforce the very fact, the energy, the sarpanchas, deputy sarpanchas and panchayat members to work harder by taking this example. Panchayat elections are recently held, and in these panchayat elections, the old experienced members as well as new panchayat members are elected in every panchayat. I am sure everyone will have different plans of development in their respective villages. I wish all of them good luck and also assure them my cooperation and support on every step. We welcome and appreciate the disbursement of financial assistance to the dialysis patients. More than 1,200 people in Goa suffer from chronic kidney disease. The cases are on rise in every coming year. Most of the people are from the middle class status. Illness shouldn't become reason which leads to the family into poverty. That often happens. Financial help by the government for dialysis is like a hand of God aiding people when they are in the most in need. We also have some serious issues in our constituency. Even after 60 years of liberation, our constituency still. There are some parts of our village where PWD water is received every alternate days, and that too for few hours. It is high time every household should receive water every day and at least for 4 to 5 hours. Every house should also receive uninterrupted electricity supply every day, especially in monsoon. All the panchayat members, the sarpanchas have presented the memorandum to the Honorable Governor, and I assure Honorable Governor will, with the help of the government, will sort out most of the issues pertaining to our constituency. I once again thank Honorable His Excellency Governor Shri Vardhan Pillai ji for giving us his precious time. Thank you everyone. God bless you. Jai Hind, Jai Goa.
Members of the panchayat, officials, and my dear brothers and sisters, I'm extremely happy to visit this place. Because my home state is Kerala. I never go to the villages in Kerala. I'm very happy because everywhere greenery is there, coconut trees are there, paddy field is there, plantain also is there. So when I am standing in front of you, I'm very happy. Wherever I go, this side, that side, other side, everywhere greenery. The present crisis in our country is a very great extent depending on related to the environmental problems. We are getting very fresh air here at all places. Whenever you go to I'm not mentioning the name of any city, we go to the capital cities of India, Delhi or Bangalore, whatever it may be. The most important problem now facing the people, especially Delhi, the scarcity for oxygen, pranavayu. So, you people are lucky. I am also lucky today because I am in the midst of this God's gift. So, God given this gift to you. You are getting employment whenever you look into the other side. So, that is why Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation, stated that Gram Swaraj is the only solution for the development of India. He used the word Grama Swaraj. Swaraj plus Grama, both terms are there. So that is why, if you think, I am also a student of politics, economy, law and other things. I am a student. So when I am studying things, I am very much satisfied myself to say that our actual production that is being carried out in villages. So village people, they are working hard, agricultural operations are there. Of course, paddy field is concerned, I don't know what is the exact decision here. People are now in agricultural operation. Nowadays people are not much interested. If you put a question to a villager, an agriculturalist, what about your future of your children, your son or daughter? What is your desire? Then very rare to get an answer that a good farmer is making his livelihood out of that. Would say that one of my children's maybe a farmer. So basic thing I am placing before you. Anyway, I am an admirer of the village life. I born and brought up in a village, and I am from a agricultural family, and that is why I would like to say, going to the villages, giving me immense pleasure. When I took charge as the governor of the state about 13 months back, on September last year, on September 17, the importance of the September 17th is that last year, our Prime Minister's 71st birthday. It is coming, 72nd is coming. You see, he declared that our secretary issued a statement to the public that they are requesting applications from dialysis patients, and 71 dialysis patients we want to extend our help by way of financially. Then further, our secretary, through his press statement, requested that governor wants to visit 71 orphanages like or Bala Seva, Sandhis, or whatever it may be. 71 places I want to visit also. So we declared that fund of the governor for his personal affairs, that amount also we offered to give to the public, to the needy people. Then target was 71 aid extended to 71 dialysis patients, and then our financial aid to NGOs, especially this orphanage and other things, run by Hindu organizations, Christian organizations, and certain Muslim organizations. We visited all the 71. Now we are completing 1 year on 17th of this month. And I am very happy to say that, I can proudly say that, now 71 target, 500. Target was 71, but within 1 year, we paid it to 500 dialysis patients. Like that, the other thing of the sphere also, we visited certain such institutions, including HIV patients. Only 2 HIV centers I had occasion to see. That 2 centers are run by Mother Teresa institutions. We have given them financial help, but 2 times we invited all the inmates in the HIV centers to Raj Bhavan. In the Raj Bhavan, I asked the governor can't go to receive a patient, only the governor can receive Rashtrapati, Uparashtrapati and Prime Minister. That is a protocol. I don't want to violate the law. So our secretariat team, they went to the gate. You have given reception to me. Of course, bouquet was very big, but he has given flower to them. Then given a chocolate to all the children. Then they were, in fact, received by the highest officer of Rajbhavan, along with his other officials in the Rajbhavan. Then they had occasion to see all the surrounding areas. You see, our Rajbhavan is now aged 450 years. It is the oldest Rajbhavan in India, but surrounded by 2 rivers and joining with the Arabian Sea, a hill area that is a very beautiful place. This area is also a very beautiful place. Then these boys and girls, they have not committed any sin. In their life, they have not committed any sin. Reasons I am not going to that aspect. Then after they taking food along with the governor and other officials, they felt that we are also safe in our society. We are also recognized by official forums. We are getting love and affection from fellow human beings. Again, on the eve of our Independence Day, 75th Independence Day, again we invited them to the HIV. See, they are facing social ostracism. 1-year-old suppose at the time of that's an old concept I am saying, now a slight change is there. If a child aged 1 year, HIV patient, then scratch is there, then the life of the protector will be in danger. Such a situation, nobody is taking interest. I am very happy to see that we have done a very good job, and through that process we are proceeding. This year, our idea, we will declare it on 15th or 16th, that cancer patients, we are going to give aid to them, and 3 or 4 gardens we are going to be inaugurated there. The Goshala is going to be inaugurated there, and for this purpose, the help of public, they are also helping us. In such a way, activities of the Rajbhavan is going on. And at the same time, simultaneously, we declared that I will have to cover all the villages within 2 years. Now 1 year completed, very happy to say that 70% of the villages in Goa already covered by the governor and his team. Our MLA is a very smart fellow, I appreciate it. But as far as governor is concerned, nobody invited me to this place. In none of the villages, people, somebody else in the local language stated, I understand its meaning. The first time my governor is visiting your place. Am I correct? So, I have always had the impression that our MLA is there, our officials are there, additional collector, deputy collector, RDO, and Panchayat presidents. In our state it is called Panchayat presidents. Here it is called Sarpanch. So we are all the representatives of people. Of course, protocol-wise government is in the law. But I would like to say what is the message of our constitution. What is the crux of our constitution? Our constitution says supreme. Who is supreme? The question. Its answer is very well. I am stating very well that people are supreme. Our constitution starts with the first sentence. We the people of India. So the people are supreme. Not government is supreme. Supreme Court is not supreme. Our ministers are not supreme. Our MLA is not supreme. Who is supreme? People are supreme. That is why I am in a nominated post. Our Panchayat presidents and the MLA, they offered you. I am contesting in the election. I am prepared to serve you. You depose your faith in me, and that is why, whatever in the politics I am working, but he is bound to serve the people. Panchayat president is bound to serve the people. Panchayat member is bound to serve the people. Our IAS officers and others, I don't want to make it war with them. That is the basic thing expected from our officials. They are also servants of the people. So all are bound to do service. That is why Gandhiji called Grama Swaraj. And basic concept of Gandhiji. I am a student of Gandhian economy and Gandhian social activities and Gandhian politics. Always reading books related to that Gandhi's books. Gandhiji then started the freedom struggle. Of course, Goa and different liberation was in 1961. But in 1930, when Gandhiji took over the charge of the freedom movement, he declared that 3 types of freedom struggle is there. Should work for 3 types of freedom. One is, of course, Portuguese people bid farewell to us, we are free. Politically we are free. British people bid farewell to India. Now India is a free country. We got our freedom politically. Our various political parties are working. One party ruling, another party opposition. Both are important in our sector. So we are considered, the world as a whole is considering India is the largest democracy, biggest democracy in the world. They are happy. But what about economic freedom? What about our social freedom? So, 3 types of freedom. That was our objective, and that is why on August 15, 1947, every citizens of the country and leaders of the country, they were celebrating the arrival of freedom. Gandhiji was thousands of miles away from Delhi and in the midst of the ordinary village people. He stated that whenever these poor people of the village, he used the word last man in the queue of development. If he is getting minimal things, then only I can say that freedom is a true one. That is why he used the word Swaraj and Suraj. Suraj means a transparent India. That was declared by him in 1947, August 16th. That is why we are in the midst of travel. Every day we are traveling. 70% of the villages covered, and 30% our secretary says within 1 month he will have to make arrangement for that. And as a part of that, I am in front of you. I wish all the best for all of you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
On behalf of the Sarpanch, Deputy Sarpanch, Village Panchayat, Ward Member of all the 5 villages of Village Panchayat in Saligaon constituency, hail His Excellency and the Honorable Governor of Goa,